The 10 most common dog health problems. Dogs, just like human beings, are likely to fall sick. There are several factors that may contribute towards your dog's illness. These include poor diet, lack of physical exercise, and general grooming. A dog that is well maintained and cared for is less likely to fall sick compared to one who is not. You need to schedule regular routine checkups with your vet in order to avoid some of these dog health problems. Keep an eye open for any unusual symptoms which your dog might exhibit and take the necessary precautions. Some of the common health issues in dogs include 1. Skin conditions. Different dog breeds have different kinds of skin types and fur coats. There are breeds with short fur and some with long, thick hair. However, all dogs are vulnerable to some skin conditions that may cause them to scratch itch. You will also notice that if your dog develops a certain skin issue, his skin may appear red and inflamed due to the constant scratching. Once you notice that your dog's skin is dry and scaly or appears abnormal, you need to take him to the vet immediately before it gets worse. The cause of the skin irritations could be allergies, parasites, among other things. 2. Infections of the ear. Have you ever noticed your dog, or any other dog for that matter, shaking his head and scratching his ears? This is a telltale sign that your dog is suffering from an ear infection. Most of the times, you will notice some kind of debris or smelly discharge coming from their ears. Never take ear infections lightly. They may be itchy and sometimes even painful to your furry friend. If this condition is left untreated, it may end up causing serious damage. Take him to your vet for diagnosis and let the expert determine the best treatment for the ear infection. 3. Vomiting. Vomiting is one of the signs that there is something terribly wrong with your dog. It can easily cause your dog to be dehydrated if not put under control. As a general rule, you need to see the vet if your dog is vomiting and appears to be depressed. There are a number of reasons why your dog could be vomiting. He could have ingested a toxic substance, or developed a stomach infection, and conditions like pancreatitis can also be the reason behind the vomiting. 4. Urinary tract infection. One of the most common symptoms of a urinary tract infection includes the frequent need of your dog to pass urine. You are likely to notice that your pooch may be having difficulties when urinating, and there may also be traces of blood in his urine. Seek your vet's attention and let your puppy be checked out. 5. Fleas infestation. Fleas are a common dog health problem that can be quite a headache. Your dog can pick up fleas from anywhere, like the dog park or from a visiting dog. You need not to worry because they are also easy to get rid of. The most common symptoms that may tell you that your dog may be having fleas include excessive scratching and licking. You will notice that your dog will lose hair as a result. Allergic dermatitis is also a sign of flea infestation. If the condition remains untreated, your dog is likely to be very restless and uncomfortable. Consult your vet on the possible treatment and the right flea medicine. 6. Dental problems. Dental disease, commonly known as periodontal disease, is another common health problem in dogs that most dog owners overlook. If your dog has bad breath, it could be a sure sign of dental disease. Maintain a good oral hygiene in your dog in order to avoid plaque and tartar from building up in your dog's mouth, because they are likely to cause harmful bacteria to thrive in your dog's mouth. When the condition remains untreated, the harmful bacteria may enter the bloodstream and cause fatal conditions like heart disease or even kidney failure. 7. Obesity. This is not a problem that affects the human race alone. Dogs too can suffer from obesity. This is one of the most common dog health problems that can also be avoided. If your dog is obese, he is likely to suffer from serious health issues like heart conditions and other orthopedic problems. You need to give your dog high-quality dog food and make sure that he gets plenty of exercise. 8. Arthritis. Dogs can also suffer from the inflammation of the joints in their body, a condition that is commonly known as arthritis. The most common form of arthritis that affects dogs is referred to as osteoarthritis, which mostly affects older dogs. You can effectively manage arthritis in your dog by seeking expert advice from your vet. 9. Poisoning. It is not a surprise that most dogs are likely to be affected by poisoning at some point in their life. Dogs are likely to encounter toxins which they may end up ingesting. There are a number of toxins that are likely to cause serious health concerns in your dog. These include toxins from plants, medications and household items. Once you bring your dog home, you need to make the environment dog-friendly by removing any hazardous and toxic substances that your dog might ingest. 10. Diarrhea. Dogs may have diarrhea for a number of reasons including stress, poisoning and parasites. You will easily know when your dog is suffering from diarrhea due to the watery stool, which in severe cases may also have traces of blood in it. Always maintain a good hygiene. Give your dog food to eat in clean bowls and serve him plenty of clean fresh water to keep him hydrated. In a nutshell, the Kingdom of Pets has an amazing ultimate guide to dog health problems that will definitely help you learn how to be on the lookout for some of these common health dog problems. The program is very beneficial to dog owners because it gives you the best tips for obedience and healthcare training for your furry friend. To learn more about the ultimate guide to dog health, please check the link in the description below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more dog training tips, subscribe to the channel.